Meaning of the statement. Possession is the prima facie evidence of the title of ownership. The term prima facie means at first sight or until proved otherwise. This statement means that if a person is in possession of a thing, the law presumes that he is the owner unless someone proves otherwise. Simple explanation. If you see a person using a car or living in a house, you naturally assume that he is the owner. Law also follows this practical idea. 2. Explanation of the principle. Possession is not the same as ownership, but it is strong evidence of ownership. Courts generally believe that the person who has possession has a valid title, unless another person proves a better claim. Example: a person holding a mobile presumed owner. If someone claims it is stolen, he must prove it. Thus, possession shifts the burden of proof to the person who challenges it. 3. Legal basis of the principle. Law favors peace and stability. It avoids unnecessary disputes. It protects people who are in control of property. This principle is widely accepted in both civil and common law systems. 4. Importance of possession. Possession plays a very important role in law. Evidence of ownership. It helps in identifying the owner. Saves time in proving title. Protection of rights. Even a possessor who is not owner is protected. Basis of ownership. Long possession may lead to ownership. Adverse possession. Maintains social order. Prevents forceful taking of property. Practical convenience. Easy to recognize and prove. 5. Why possession is protected by law. Law protects possession for several reasons. A. To prevent violence and disorder. If possession is not protected, people may take law into their own hands and use force to recover property. B. To maintain peace in society. Law prefers settled possession rather than continuous disputes. C. To protect even weak possessors. Even a person without ownership is protected against unlawful interference. D. To encourage stability. People feel secure when their possession is protected. E. Because possession is easier to prove. Ownership may be difficult to prove, but possession is visible and clear. 6. Case study. Simple explanation. Armory v. Delamere, 1722. Facts. A boy found a jewel and took it to a goldsmith for valuation. The goldsmith refused to return it. Issue. Whether the finder has any right over the jewel. Judgment. Court held that the finder has a better right than everyone except the true owner. Simple understanding. This case clearly shows that possession itself gives legal protection, even if the person is not the real owner. The law protects possession to avoid injustice and maintain fairness. 7. Another practical example. If a tenant is living in a house, even the owner cannot forcibly remove him. The owner must follow legal procedure. This shows that possession is protected even against the true owner. 8. Conclusion. Possession is not ownership, but it is strong evidence of ownership. Law protects possession to maintain peace, avoid disputes, and ensure justice. The principle that possession is prima facie evidence of ownership makes legal processes simpler and more practical.